Cook up a delicious Sunday roast with this fantastic electric built-in single oven from AEG. It comes with all the brilliant features you'll need. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a turbo grilling and pizza setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Create succulent dishes with AEG's SenseCook. It's a clever food sensor that helps deliver perfect results. For juicy steaks and tender roasts, just place the probe into the middle of your food and choose your setting. When the perfect temperature is reached, the oven will switch off, leaving your food cooked the way you like. So, you can release your inner chef and cook up dishes that will amaze your family and friends. This model's handy 2-stage pyrolytic function is a self-cleaning feature that does the hard work for you. With one simple touch, the oven will turn any spills, grease or food residue into ash by raising the temperature to around 500 degrees. And whether your oven is just a little dirty or needs a full deep clean, there are 2 handy time settings from 1.5 to 3 hours that you can choose. Now you can spend less time cleaning your oven and more time perfecting your favourite meals. If you want a model with handy cleaning features and innovative technology to help take your cooking to the next level, this electric built-in single oven from AEG is a perfect choice.